Welcome to the Simple Assessment tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and score a simple assessment in Agolix, offering customized feedback based on respondents' answers. A simple assessment scores respondents based on their answers without having right or wrong answers. For example, you might ask, how likely would you enjoy a visit to the UK? With a score range from 1 to 100%. Depending on their score, you can provide feedback such as, your score of 80% shows you would likely enjoy visiting the UK very much. To set up scoring for your simple assessment, start by editing your assessment. Select the Edit link in the menu under your assessment, then click the Scoring tab at the top of the page. Here, in the Scoring tab, you'll determine how your assessment is scored and how feedback is given based on respondent scores. At the top of the page, you can choose between manual or automatic scoring. With automatic scoring, Agolix assigns points to each score band. The total possible points are divided equally among your score bands. For example, if your assessment has 100 points and 4 score bands, each band will cover 25 points. With manual scoring, you can set the score ranges for each band yourself. For instance, you can create a high, medium, and low band, adjusting their point ranges to match your desired scoring criteria. Next, you can set the order in which score interpretations will be presented to the respondent. You can choose to show the score interpretation for the respondent's score band first, or display them in the order you specify. Moving down the page, you can choose to show scores as a percentage. When enabled, this changes your score range to show from 0% to 100%, automatically adjusting score bands for you. Next, you'll create your score bands. Agolix will display the minimum and maximum possible scores for your assessment. Click Add Score Band to create a new band, then title it, set the minimum and maximum values for the range, and enter the feedback message respondents will receive if they fall within that range. For example, you could create a high score band for scores between 80 to 100%, a medium band for 50 to 79%, and a low band for 0 to 49%. Add the feedback like great job for high, decent for medium, and better luck next time for low. After setting up each score band, click Save. Repeat the process for all your score bands until you've added all the ranges you need. That's it! You've successfully set up scoring for your simple assessment in Agolix. Thank you. Please remember to check out our other videos for more. And remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix. Have a great day!